seeding down alfalfa here today. I've got this farm done, and this is Auburn Ag with this unit here. And what this is their trailer that they fly their spray drones from. That's a DJI drone there, and what they're doing is they are applying fungicide to the corn that is up here on this farm. We'll throw the drone up in the air. They've got 2 drones. They land them on this trailer, and then they can fill them up with product out of them tanks. They switch batteries. They do the whole 9 yards with the drones. The beauty with spraying this crop with the drones, they don't have to drive through the corn. I forget how many acres they can do, but that drone's flying right down through there. I'm gonna get my drone up, and he's about 20 feet off the corn or so. I'll get my drone up in the air and give you guys a visual of what that all looks like. This is quite the unit here. They transport these drones on the trailer. They're bringing one back right now. I'm going to get out of his way. Bringing one back now to reload it with product, and I would assume that they'll be swapping out a battery as well. So they've got, a battery that they're going to swap out. Then they refill with product with that fuel hose. What model DJI are these?
T60.
T60. Product goes in the tank, and they swap out a battery. You can run both drones off of that one controller?
No, we only have one right now. They're spreading seed with the other one.
Oh, they're spreading seed with the other one, so you're using one drone. Okay. And there is the controller right there. I thought they had 2 drones that they're doing with on this project. They're spreading, putting down cover crop seed, I would assume, with that other one. So if I didn't mention earlier, they're applying fungicide to the BMR variety of silage here. And I don't know offhand how many acres they can do at a time. I would assume it's like 3 to 4. But how many acres can you do at a time? 3? 6 per fill? Okay. And battery? Alright, they are ready to take off. They're filled up. They swapped out a battery, filled up with product. Now they're going to take off. And I lost track of the damn thing here. They were in this other field here. We'll go over and see if we can't watch them spray it and get some shots of it. I'm going to stay on this outside here. Andrew is rolling this field. You can see it right there. It's going across the field. It's in the center of the screen. You can see it laying down the product. So it looks like it's turning around. It must have got to the spot. Must have got to the spot that it stopped at. It's spraying. I just zoomed in a little better. It's flying at like 20 miles an hour right there. I'm flying at 20 miles an hour. You can do about 6 acres per fill-up. Come into the headland. Going back. You can see the product coming out of the drone. I'm flying at 10 miles an hour. Again, I don't want to go into the field that he's in. So I'm just flying. We're on the edge of this other field. We come into the headland again. And there he's going back. Zoom in a little more. That's 9x zoom right there. I'm probably 300 feet away from him or better. Andrew going the other way. You can hear the generator in the background, and that's charging the batteries, slowing down towards the headlands, getting all the way to the end of the field. Look at that. Up, turn, back the other way. I think they're done with this field. So they've got the lower strip there, I think. I don't think they've done the lower strip yet. They must have a sliver or something that they have left to do in this field, because he's flying down to this other end here. Maybe he's got the headland that he's going to do. Flying back this way. Must be they're going to come in and, well, they're going to come in and land. So they probably got a refill with product and swap out a battery. Alright, swapping out a battery. I don't know where the heck I am here. I'm zoomed in quite a bit. I must be back there quite a ways, so we're gonna leave these guys alone. And yeah, I'm right up behind yeah, we'll leave these guys alone, and we'll get back to seeding. They are closing up. Looks like they're probably going to move their trailer down. They're going to move their trailer down to the next area here. But that's a big frickin' drone. Alright. The way they pull out, they'll pull out, head down to the next driveway just so that they can get. Well, Andrew's coming into the field here. I'm in Andrew's way, and he said, I'm coming in. Well, he's unfolding right on the go here. Bang, bang. Back up. Lock her down. And go. Actually, I think these guys said they did the field to our left. No? No, he's going to the left. He's going to go down to the next driveway here. So... yeah, Andrew will get this field rolled. This 15 acres in this field. He's got 20 acres on the other field there, and 5 acres down below. I don't know where these guys are going with the trailer. I think they're going to go over into that other driveway over there. They've got 2 strips to do out on the far side of the road there, and then this field that's to our right that's on the other side of the road is not ours. So we're gonna go ahead and get this drone back into its case, and I've got to get back to work here. But I drove by these guys. They've been spraying here for a couple of weeks. I've seen them out and about a couple of different times, and I said there'll be time to get footage. I didn't really want to do it tonight, but this was the last bit of corn that we planted, or last BMR. So they must be about done. So that'll give you guys an idea how that goes, and the short little video on applying fungicide to BMR with a drone. Pretty neat stuff. That's my drone. Give you guys a size reference.